Ciao Tesla people, today is a nice day. I'm going to do a road trip to Greve in Chianti, the Chianti region. They call it the Chianti Shire. Right now it's 12 degrees Celsius, but it's supposed to get to 19 Celsius, which is strange. It's February. It's supposed to be like 5, not 19. Anyway, it's going to be a nice ride. The weather is great. There are some clouds, but you can have everything. And I'm going to do a time lapse of the road and then show you something around Greve. Not sure if we're going to the Castello Da Verrazzano, which is a castle. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's open. And that's it. So come with us, and I'll show you around in the Tuscany countryside. from Greve, where I went to the square, ate some pastry. Now I'm at the Castello di Verrazzano, here. And down there, so the vineyard and the vineyard are down there, and then on the other side, and then the wine tasting is on the bottom. And here there are two restaurants, a big one and a smaller one, and they were cooking, so the smell was really, really good. And then the castle is up here, very cool, all the way. And there is a tower up there, and also there is a charging station there from NLX, which is nice. I didn't know that. Really, really cool. Let me show you the view from here. It's really nice. The only thing is there are these places, and there are no like a bench or whatever to see the view here. And here are the old vineyards, up there, up there, up there, down there. And there are a bunch of other castles and bed and breakfast and stuff. So you can stay here. I think the cost is not much, €100 per night. I didn't see the menu, but it's really good. At least from the smell, it's really good. So, and here's the tower. Really nice. Let's take a walk around and I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back home. Was a nice ride to Greve in Chianti first, and then to the Castello di Verrazzano. Very nice place. The weather was great. The drive was great. So everything went well. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral in the description. There are lots of discounts right now for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. So check them out. Use my discount code. You can get up to 3 months of free FSD, which is good. It's a good deal. And also I have the links about all the other accessories that I install in my Model Y. Check them out. And I'll see you on next video. Please leave a like, share, turn on notification if you're already subscribed. And bye bye. Ciao Tesla people.